Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to Joy Tales at Little Steps. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Aya the Explorer. Mumba was too angry to let Leo go. Leo was aware that he has made Mumba very angry, and if he steps down from the tree, he will have to fight Mumba again. Kwahu asked Mumba to calm down and go back to his den, but Mumba would not budge. Coco knew only one person can calm Mumba, and that was Aya. He came to Mumba with Aya, but he did not know Aya was going to surprise them all today. Ba ba, said Aya in her sweet little baby voice. Mumba, Kwahu, Leo and Coco all looked at her with surprise, as if Aya has just uttered her first word. The happiness of Aya learning to speak made Mumba's anger vanish. He turned around to Leo and said, "Today I am letting you go, but I have my eyes on you all the time. Remember that." And they left. On the way to Mumba's den, Coco and Kwahu kept waiting to hear Aya talk again, but she did not. They decided to celebrate Aya's first words with a jungle tour. They first took Aya to a grazing field in the jungle, where Aya could see a flock of sheep. A little ahead, they saw a herd of cattle feeding on the grass. Aya seemed mesmerized with so many animals around. Then it was time to see some deer. Aya even touched one of the deer's horns. They were quite hard. Coco let Aya enjoy on the ground. He went to quench his thirst from the cool water in the river. In no time, Aya crawled a little away amongst the animals, and Mumba could not see her anymore. He asked Kwahu to find out. Mumba told all animals about what Leo did, and he asked every animal and bird to be alert, as he knew Leo will attack again. While Aya was venturing deeper in the dense jungle, she kept touching the leaves and feeling the soft petals of the flowers. Some monkeys from the Mojo team also dropped a few soft fruits that Aya could eat. While Mumba was talking to animals and Aya was engrossed in eating fruits, a wolf nearby was trying to get hold of Aya. He was scared as he knew Mumba was around. But he could not wait and he ran towards Aya. Before he could reach, Mojo the monkey grabbed Aya and lifted her on the tree branch. Other monkeys saw this and started howling. Mumba heard the howling and ran towards the tree, and the wolf fled. Mumba saw the monkeys had helped right on time. He thanked Mojo and other monkeys, along with Peru the parrot, who had alerted him about Leo earlier. He now knew that his team were getting ready and the jungle was starting to accept Aya as one of them. Gigi the giraffe asked Mojo to help Aya on his back. Aya was now sitting on a tall giraffe and viewing the jungle like never before. She smiled and again uttered "Baba" as she felt very happy to be exploring this new world where she had now started to belong.